Students, in the last lecture we are discussing with AC means alternating current and DC means direct current. Alternating current is obtained from powerhouse and direct current is obtained from batteries. Okay, now in this section we discuss with the advantages of AC over DC. Alternating current have some advantages over direct current. So there are four advantages. AC can be transmitted over long distances. Once again, AC can be transmitted over long distances. DC cannot be transmitted. Okay. Second, AC voltage can be easily changed by using transformer. If we want to increase the voltage, then transformer increase the voltage. If we want to decrease the voltage, then transformer decrease the voltage. Okay. So third advantage of AC is AC can be easily converted into DC. For example, in case of inverter, AC can be converted into DC and DC is stored in the form of chemical energy in batteries. Okay, whereas DC cannot be converted. The output of an inverter is a high voltage DC. It is not an AC. Okay. The fourth advantage of AC is easier and cheaper to generate. The generation of AC is cheaper than DC. Okay, so these are the four advantages. Now the disadvantages of AC over DC. What are the disadvantages? AC cannot be used for electrolysis process. For example, electroplating. DC can be used. Now, thick wires are required for transmission of AC. As you can see, the power lines from power house use thick wires. Okay. Now, AC is more dangerous than DC. High voltage DC is dangerous, but AC is more dangerous than DC. Okay, so these are the disadvantages. Now come to the topic domestic electric circuit. Before understanding domestic electric circuit, some information about the domestic electric circuit is here. The power is supplied through a cable consisting of three wires. The power supplied to our homes through a cable consisting of three wires. Okay, three wires. The first wire is live wire. It is also known as phase wire with 220 volt. Neutral wire with 0 volt, and earth wire is used for earthing. Okay. In connections, red wire is live wire or phase wire. Black wire is neutral wire. Okay. And green wire is earth wire. Okay. Now, all the appliances in domestic electric circuit are connected in parallel. As we have discussed earlier, all the domestic electric circuit appliances are connected in parallel. This is because if there is a short circuit or if there is an interruption in one distribution, then other distribution will work without any interruption. Okay. This is the diagram of domestic electric circuit. These two wires, one is live and another is neutral wire, comes from powerhouse. Okay, the main fuse is always connected in live wire. So these two wires passes through the electric meter to record the energy consumed, goes to the main switch and then to the distribution board. These are the consumer fuse. Okay. Now the circuit 1 is this. In circuit 1 we have a socket outlet, one bulb and one fan is connected. So for socket outlet, 3 terminals are there. In 3 terminals, one comes from live wire through switch. Another comes from earth wire and this one comes from neutral wire. Okay. So in the middle, earth wire, this is live and this is neutral wire. Okay. Now in case of bulb, one wire comes from live wire through switch and another comes from neutral wire. Okay. There is no need of earth wire. In the same way, fan is connected. There is no need for earth wire in case of fan also. Okay. Now the circuit 2. For circuit 2, the live wire with main fuse means consumer fuse is there, another neutral wire and third is earth wire. Okay. In this way we can give the distribution in domestic electric circuit or in our homes. Okay. This all distribution is in parallel. Socket outlet, bulb and fan are in parallel to each other. In the same way, circuit 1 and circuit 2 are also in parallel. If the circuit 1 is not working, then the circuit 2 can work without any interruption. Okay. This live wire in color is red. This neutral wire in color is black and this earth wire in color is green most of the cases. Okay. Yes. Now something is earthing. What is earthing? Earthing is the process of sharing the charge with earth. If we share the charge with earth, this is called earthing or grounding. Okay. Earthing the circuit or appliances is a very important safety measure. Okay. How? This is when metal case of appliances are connected to earth by means of earth wire. Okay. Then in case of leaky appliance, this means if the current is flowing on the metal case of appliance, this is the excess current due to short circuit and overloading, and this excess current goes to earth by means of earth wire, so we can avoid the electric shock. Okay. Now short circuit and overloading. What is short circuit? Short circuit means live wire, means red wire, and neutral wire comes together in contact directly. Okay. In short circuiting, resistance of circuit becomes zero. Resistance becomes zero. So I is equal to V upon R, then I is equal to V upon 0, then we get I is equal to infinite, means not defined. Okay, this means current in circuit will be infinite. Okay, thus there is a large current flowing in circuit, produce a loads of heat. When large current is flowing in circuit, then according to Joule's heating, a loads of heat is produced. Due to this heat, this can happen. First, damage of appliance, and second, wearing out of wires, means insulation will be removed and short circuit comes place. Okay. Now the last heading of this chapter, overloading. If the current in a circuit exceeds from predetermined value, for example, a circuit is for 5 ampere current. If the value exceeds from 5 ampere, then the circuit is said to be overloaded, and the phenomena is called overloading. This is due to a large number of appliances are connected to single socket. When a number of appliances are connected to single socket, then appliances will draw a large current, okay, for their working. Due to this, a loads of heat. For large current, loads of heat is produced. Due to this heat, socket or complete wiring can burn. So we can avoid short circuiting and overloading by taking some observations. Okay.